हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं लखनऊ मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चौमिला। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक स्वागत है। कल अपन ने मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड की डॉवर बीच के बारे में पढ़ लिया था। अब इसमें एक क्वेश्चन उठता है, राइट ए क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम डॉवर बीच। तो थोड़ा सा इसके आंसर के बारे में जान लेते, मतलब कैसे सॉल्व करना है। ऐसे सब प्रथम थोड़ा सा पोइट के इंट्रोडक्शन के उसके बारे में लिखेंगे, फिर पोएम के बारे में लिखेंगे। इसमें लिखेंगे सब प्रथम, मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड वाज बोर्न एट लेलेहेम नियर स्टेन्स ऑन 24 December 1822. His father, Thomas Arnold, was famous headmaster of Rugby School. He was himself educated at Rugby. In 1840, he won the school prize in English verse. In 1843, he won the Newdigate Prize for writing a poem on Cromwell at Balliol College, Oxford. In 1845, he was elected Fellow for Royal College. He worked as a master at Rugby for some years. In 1851, he was made Inspector of Schools. That year, he married the daughter of Justice Whitman. From 1857 to 1867, he was Professor of Poetry at Oxford. He died at Liverpool on 15 May 1888. अब थोड़ा सा इसकी वर्ष के बारे में लिखेंगे। His first volumes of poems, The Street Traveller and Other Poems, appeared in 1849. In 1852 was published Empedocles on Etna and Other Poems. In 1853 appeared a volume of poems, and in 1855 poems second series was published. In 1858 Marrow of a Tragedy was published and new poems in 1868. और इसका उसकी वर्ष के बारे में लिख लिया। अब थोड़ा सा उसकी जो मतलब कवि के रूप में उसे और 2-4 लाइन इसके बारे में लिख देते हैं। We find clarity of expression, gravity and dignity of thoughts in his poems. He has classical sense of proportion and harmony. He cannot tolerate expression of sentiment or passion or emphasis, either in a description or in epithet and imagery. He writes with a purpose and a definite aim in his mind, and his writings are free from the cloud of passion and imagination that hang upon and obscure the expression in Keats and other romantic poets. As a poet of nature, Arnold bears some resemblance to Wordsworth. He also possesses penetrating and sympathetic insight in nature and believes in its healing power, but he is not a nature worshipper like Wordsworth. Neither does he find perpetual joy in it, nor does he recognize any mystic union with it, but takes only a detached view of it. अब पोइट के बारे में तो अपन ने लिख दिया। अब लिखेंगे पोइट्री के बारे में। लिखेंगे, देखो इन एज प्रो, अब मैंने यहीं से ही लिखा है, इसे आंसर में थोड़ा सा ही लिखा है, लेकिन आपको पूरा लिखना है इसे। इन एज प्रोज वर्ड्स वी फाइंड अर्नोल्ड डिलाइटफुल what words for him generally express the gravest self. He does not concentrate sorrow on the individual, but widens his view to human life in general. His poems generally have a tragic note. He is pessimist. The world today has lost faith, love and other good qualities. It is an age of ट्रांजिशन। अब आगे ये तो मैंने इतना तो लिख दिया, फिर आगे आपको लिखना है इट इज एन एज ऑफ ट्रांजिशन। He finds himself wandering between two worlds. One dead, the other forced to be reborn. In our which the poet says that the Star of Faith was once at the full round earth's shore, but it has now retreated down the vast edges and naked wrinkles of the world. There is no joy, love, gratitude, peace, or hell left in this world. It is a dark place where ignorant people are struggling against each other, knowing not why. According to Arnold, the only call to the world is love, to be true to each other, and this he wants us to learn. Oh, love, let us be true to one another. Men, men, men can kindle light in this dark world through love alone. इस प्रकार आपको ये पूरा आंसर लिखना है। ऐसे ही मतलब हर पोएम में एक क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन का एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, आपको उसे सॉल्व करके और फिर याद भी करना है।